Right here you can see some blue ink. The customer told me it was from Marker, I believe. Anyways, this is done by hand. You know, I'm gonna use a special ink remover here that I get from my supplier. So that's how we get this out. Put it on there. Kind of show you how it's done. You kind of gotta rub it in a little bit. Let it sink in. You can see the spot lightening up, and then you work the fibers in all directions so that it gets in there. This one you can see when you get deep down. See how deep that ink is. You don't want to flood the spot with the cleaner because then it'll just run deep down in the carpet. You kind of want to clean it from the bottom up. You can see it coming out on the rag there. This is how this is like stuff why carpet cleaners will tell you it's permanent. That's not. So there's just a little bit more there. Get it out real quick for you. There. Let's see. Oh, it's gone. Get this one out too in a second here. See it coming out onto the white rag. I like using white rags because you don't want them to run. I'm rubbing fast, but I'm not rubbing hard. So, see how it's coming out of there a little bit? I'm showing using my telephone. Now I'm going to spray some on the rag so I can move it around. See how it comes off the top. Keep in mind, I'm right up on it right now too. Yeah, it's coming out good. You see a little blue here, haze still, a little bit. Right here, we're so close. A little bit around, get those. And where the color is still coming from is a lot of people don't realize carpet's designed like it's got stuff built in to amplify a little bit of a shine. That's what makes it look nice. And then you can see over here, that one's totally gone. I'm gonna work on this a little bit more to get it going too. It's kind of tough holding the camera though.